Hi, welcome to Vicky's World of Chaos. Yesterday we had a windstorm and branches broke, trees snapped, everything. So we're just walking through the property to check out the damage. And here we go. Let's see. We got tree branches down, just snapped in two, all in the yard. See the branches just hanging down low. They just snapped in half. This one is another one that just snapped in half. I propane tank is okay. Branches all in the yard. My neighbor's tree fell down. Not the whole tree, just branches off of him. He dragged them out of the yard, out of the street this morning. The chairs blew off the porch. Let's see what else is going on. Oh, my kid's bike. Yesterday, when the power went out because of the windstorm, more branches. I don't know what tree those flew from. There's my birdhouse hanging up. The birdhouse is still there. You can hear the birds, they're happy. Walking around here, seeing the damage. Cars are fine. Trees are fine. What do we have here? My doghouse is supposed to be in my backyard. It is over by my garden beds. So it blew out of the backyard. There's a little rabbit. He survived the storm. See him? He's just watching everything. He's probably trying to eat my food in my garden. Good thing about it is it rains, so I don't have to water. Keep coming around. To the backyard, more down branches. Boys baseball game. This is where the doghouse was. And that is where it ended up. Wow. It blew over the fence. More down trees. More down branches. This tree is definitely leaning. I think it snapped in half. That one right there. It's leaning. That is the tour of the yard. Oh, more branches right here. Yeah, but we all survived. It was dark. The power went out for about 3 hours. We kept the refrigerators closed. My meds were in the refrigerator, which reminds me I gotta take the meds out this morning. And if you like the tour of my neighborhood, or my yard, rather, click like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. All right, that's my yard.